dogs are very different creatures, but they deserve to be protected from pests the same natural way. That's why our products are crafted with love for safe use on our feline friends. In addition to the benefits of high-quality ingredients, our 4-ounce bottles produce a fine, gentle mist that makes spray time easier. We all know cats don't love being sprayed, so do your best to create a comfortable mood by resting or hiding the bottle. When your cat comes close for TLC, gently rub the fur in the opposite direction while petting, and then apply. A few quick sprays provide lasting protection. There's no need to soak. For extra scaredy cats, we recommend spraying product into a soft cloth, or just use one of our flea and tick wipes for easy, hands-on application. For indoor-only cats, apply seasonally for routine prevention. For cats that frequently go outside, apply a few times a week or as needed. Cats are often the culprit of fleas and ticks spreading in homes, so spray wherever your cat hangs out, like bedding, furniture, and on top of dressers and cabinets. For tackling active problems with Wondercide, treating your entire environment indoors and out is crucial for success. Dogs and cats won't always get along, but as a pack leader, you can make sure they always will be pest-free.